Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Dota 2 game run smoother on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device. And once you open it up, before starting your game, click on the gear icon at the top left corner. From the gear icon page, click on Video, and this will now show you all of the video settings that you can change within your game. Now, if you don't have much system resources, then you will need to use the fastest setting within the basic settings option. On the other hand, if you have much more system resources, then you can choose the best looking preset. If your game is struggling to maintain frame rate, then you can try using the fastest setting. This will now change all of the settings to the lowest available. You can also try changing the rendering engine, and you may also choose your resolution and try lowering the resolution if you are facing low frame rates. After choosing the best settings, which are shown by the fastest preset, you can click on the apply button, and now this will apply the graphic settings that you have just chosen. After choosing these settings, click on the play Dota option, and now your game will run much smoother, and you will also get higher frames per second. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your gameplay smoother on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.